Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you to display blog posts on front end in your Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this is a WordPress website that has a blog page that contains some blog posts. So let's see how we can do this type of blogs. Here you can see this is my website. So let me go in the dashboard. After that, here you can see this is blog post section. Scroll down, here you can see I have added some posts. After that, now we can create a page and we can give a name, for example my blog page. After that, here you can see just you can publish it. Now click here edit with Elementor. So make sure that you have installed Elementor Page Builder WordPress plugin. So now we can activate container. After that, here you can see on the left side, these are the elements that comes with Elementor Page Builder. After that, now we can add a new section. Now here you can click plus icon. After that, search for posts. So here you can see this is the element that we are going to use at this time. Just add here, and after that, here you can see these are some styles. Just you can select any of these according to your requirements. So I think these two are best. You can select any of these. After that, you can select the columns, 2 columns, 1 column or 3 columns. After that, how many posts per page you want to display. So you can keep, I think, 10. After that, you can select image position, left, right or top. Scroll down, here you can see image size, medium, large or full size. Also you can select a custom image ratio. Here you can select image width. After that, you can add title, for example title size H1, H2, H3. After that, here you can see these are some blog post metadata. Just if you want to hide this one, comments, just click here. After that, here you can see it has removed. After that, here you can see excerpt length. You can add here your own. Scroll down, here you can see these are some other options that you can add. For example, query option that you can include categories according to dates and many other filters. After that, scroll down, here you can see pagination. Just you can enable if you have thousands of blog posts. So this is for multiple pages. After that, you can go here in the style tab. Just you can style according to your requirement. Now if you want to add some gap from top and bottom, just click here, and after that we can add some margin. So here you can see we got a gap from top and bottom. Just click here and update. So now we can visit our blog page. Let's see how it looks. Scroll down, here you can see the page that we recently created. So that's great. Now how you can add this page in the menu. Just you can go here in the appearance and menu. Then here you can see on the left side the page has been created. But now we need to select this. Here you can see primary menu. After that, click here select. Now click here and add the page in the menu.